I think we're breaking down. At which point we broke down. Managed to get the car home, but the car has sat then outside for a little while now. We toyed with changing the engine, but eventually we decided that this was all too expensive, so we just bought a junker for 450 quid because we need a car, and we decided we would just sell the other one for scrap. So, today, with the junker that cost a quarter of what the one we're getting rid of cost, we decided to change the insurance. So, I was previously fully comprehensive. Now, for anybody who's unaware of what that means that I could pretty much do anything with that car, and the insurance company would theoretically pay out. Though we all know they don't like paying out, do they, insurance companies? Because that's only their job, but they don't want to do it, do they? Fuckers. But the idea would be that they would pay out. However, we've rung them today to get a quote on what the new insurance would be. Bear in mind we had it at fully comprehensive. That means I can fucking crash it. But I wanted to go for third-party fire and theft with the new shitmobile. Because it's worth virtually nothing. It probably lost value being driven off the drive of the house that we bought it from. Anyway, we rang them up. I'm going to name and shame them Octagon. We rang Octagon up. And to change the car from fully comp on a newer vehicle to third-party fire and theft on an older vehicle would increase the premium by £280, putting the insurance for that car up across the year to £600. It's more than the fucking car cost. So, I then asked them how much it would cost to cancel the fee. How much would I get back for cancelling the policy? It would cost me £50 to cancel the policy for doing literally nothing, apart from maybe sending one email. They would charge me £50. You know what? To change the details over, they were going to charge me £25. But yes, so they wanted to charge me £50. So what I've done instead, I have gone ahead with cancelling the whole fucking policy, and I'm getting 200 and something pounds back from them, because at least we're clawing some money out of their grasping fists, and giving them a hearty fuck you, because we've been with them for a few years and this is how they treat us. But that's what I wanted to talk about today, is just what massive cunts insurance companies are, and especially car insurance companies. They insist on taking masses of money from you every fucking year, and all they give you in return is every attempt they can come up with to not do what you're paying them for. Where else does that happen? That you pay huge amounts of money to a company for them to then do their fucking best to avoid providing the service you have paid them for. When I had my car driven into a few years ago, whilst I was asleep upstairs in a previous flat and my car was parked on the road, I was fully comprehensive covered. I didn't get a courtesy car because I hadn't got the number of the car that driven into me while I was asleep and while the car was parked on the road. I did say at the time, next time I'll fucking wrap the car up and put it in the fucking loft. They're cunts. They're cunts through and through.